Yo guys, what is up? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the TikTok not loading bug in just a few steps, so stick around until the very end, and also be sure to like and subscribe for daily tech content. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is close out of TikTok, go all the way here to your settings, click onto your settings and scroll down until you see general. Click onto general, and there's this tab called iPhone storage. Select iPhone storage and let it load for a few seconds. Okay, now the next thing you're gonna want to do is scroll down until you see the TikTok app right here. Click onto that, and there you can see a button called offload app. This is very important, so follow along. The next thing you're gonna want to do is click offload app. Okay, now this button appears called reinstall app. Click onto that, wait a few seconds until it's reinstalled. This is actually not going to delete your account or your data or anything like that, so don't worry about that. Just let it load. Just wait for it. Okay, as you guys can see, it's reinstalled, and if you click onto it, you will not being logged out or anything. You still have your account, and now it should actually work. If this video helped you out, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.